How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my YouTube video of unboxing the Galaxy S25 Ultra in Phantom Black. You're probably wondering, what on earth are you doing? You've just got a Fold 7. Where on earth has the Galaxy S25 Ultra come from? Don't you worry. Here's my Fold 7. Fold 7, looking all good in the hood. Fold 7 is still here. But I have the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ding dong that notification bell, because I'm going to be releasing a video on why I purchased this phone. And later on in the channel, perhaps maybe within a couple of days. But yeah, anyways, back to the unboxing. I'm just going to do the chops off the camera because I have a really bad habit. Actually no, I don't need to. I can do it right here. In revealing information that shouldn't be revealed. Right, so, oops. There you go. Off it goes. And then, is there anything else here? No, there's nothing else here that some of you guys. There you go. Bang, bang, bang. Let's get the mess out of the way and open this bad boy up. So, just a sec. As expected, dude, just 1 minute. Let me remove the sticker. Let me remove the IMEI sticker, man. I seriously, call me lazy, but I really don't want to be, I can't be bothered with the editing and removing stuff. So here we go. Open up. And there is the phone. And it got smacked. It got smacked with this thing that's most likely going, what does it have inside? It has warranty. And I can't quite see. I'm just looking inside here, by the way. It has warranty and it has the charging cable. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Typical Samsung. I mean, what else can I expect from these guys? I bought a £2,000 Fold 7, and that too, all it gave me was the exact same thing. So there's a, there's a USB-C and a warranty guarantee. So let's get this bad boy up. Dude, how the hell am I lifting this up, man? This phone weighs a ton. Phantom Black. Dude, looking beautiful. Feels beautiful. Dude, I can't wait to use this phone, man. I can't wait to use this phone. Here it is. Side view. Top view. The power button. And then what you have there is the slots. And yeah. And oh yeah, how can I forget? They're very beautiful. S Pen. What on earth is white? Okay, that's unexpected. I was expecting this to be black. But it's got a black top, so that is very weird. The S Pen is meant to be black, but it's white. But at least that's not white. But then that would have been a major red flag. Now, this is what people love to hear, including myself. Beautiful, incredible. People don't like those rings. I love them. I just love them. They are gonna. It needs a case cover. I mean, what my ick's gonna be is if I put the phone on the floor and that's gonna create a sound. But anyways, that's the S25 Ultra unboxing video on the AMR's channel. You're probably gonna think, what the hell? Why haven't you turned on the phone? Because if you know the AMR, if you've been a long time subscriber, you know that the AMR is an old school classic person. I still follow the normal norm of technology where I charge my brand new technology, whether it's a phone, whether it's a tablet, whether it's whatever it is, to 100% battery, then I turn it on. I never turn the phone on before charging it. That's just something, I mean, it's probably not going to do anything, but it's just built into my head. I need to charge the device to 100% before I turn it on. But anyways, keep your eyes peeled for my next video. It's going to be a vital video for the Galaxy Fold 7 people. And it's also going to answer my question too. Why on earth am I getting Samsung Folds left, right and center? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Then you will find out what I'm doing here. Stay awesome, guys. Peace out.